Hello, this is video number 2. I am now starting it, placing it in manual mode this time. The fan has started. This is the initial start here. This is video number 2. There is air moving. The pump has not started. The glow plug is on. It is now started. It's now begun its startup routine. The fuel line is purged. There is no air bubbles through there. I believe it takes 2 minutes. Okay. The pump has now started pumping. The glow plug is running. There is smoke coming out. There is sufficient airflow. I am still at 12.17 volts. Pump is running. It is smoking quite nicely, so it's getting fuel. That blue power light is on, as is the manual light. It is smoking quite nicely. The pump is still running. We're getting plenty of fuel in there. We're still smoking.